Welcome to our Better Off Guide YouTube channel, your go-to destination for tips and tricks on living your best life. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that concerns us all: skin aging. Our skin, the body's largest organ, undergoes many changes as we age. Several elements contribute to the aging process, from environmental factors to lifestyle choices. So let's explore the reasons behind skin aging and discover practical solutions to maintain skin vitality and promote recovery. Firstly, let's address the key culprits of skin aging: lack of quality sleep, high levels of stress, exposure to harmful environmental pollutants, poor nutrition, limited social interactions, mental health challenges, dehydration, and a sedentary lifestyle all play significant roles in accelerating skin aging. Now, let's break down each factor and explore how they impact our skin's health and vitality. Sleep. Inadequate sleep disrupts our skin's repair processes, leading to dark circles, fine lines, and dull complexion. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to rejuvenate. Stress. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that can break down collagen and elastin, resulting in sagging and wrinkles. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to keep stress at bay. Environment. Pollution, UV radiation, and harsh weather conditions can damage the skin's protective barrier and accelerate aging. When exposed to the elements, shield your skin with SPF, antioxidants, and protective clothing. Nutrition. A diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids supports healthy skin. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fat into your meals to nourish your skin from within. Social interactions. Meaningful social connections promote emotional well-being, which reflects positively on your skin. Make time for friends and family to boost your mood and reduce stress levels. Mental health. Mental health struggles like anxiety and depression can manifest on the skin in the form of acne, eczema, or psoriasis. Seek professional help and practice self-care activities to nurture your mental well-being. Water. Hydration is essential for maintaining plump, supple skin. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day and incorporate hydrating skincare products to lock in moisture. Workout. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the skin cells while flushing out toxins. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine for glowing skin from within. Now that we've identified the causes of skin aging, let's discuss actionable solutions to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Here are some practical tips for maintaining skin vitality and promoting recovery. Establish a consistent skincare routine tailored to your skin type and concerns. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin from UV damage daily. Prioritize a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to nourish your skin and body. Regular physical activity in your schedule enhances blood flow and promotes skin regeneration. Practice stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or hobbies that bring you joy. Stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the day and limiting consumption of dehydrating beverages like alcohol and caffeine. Remember, skincare is not just about external treatments. It's a holistic approach that encompasses lifestyle choices and self-care practices. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand skin aging and discover effective solutions for maintaining skin vitality and promoting recovery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our Better Off Guide YouTube channel for more insightful content. Until next time, take care and embrace your beautiful skin. Bye for now.